In the previous class, we discussed the topic materials associated with ceremonies, animals, food, clothing, musical instrument. All these materials has made ceremony interesting and educating. In today's class we will be discussing the topic body makeup. Body makeup are materials we apply on some parts of the body to make us look more beautiful, such as the use of powder on the face, the use of lip gloss on the lips, use of beads on the hair, use of paints on the fingernails. We have local makeup, which includes Tyro, Lolly, Tangel, Noner, Zoo, white chalk, Kaya and Qualia, Gazar. All these are used to beautify body parts. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.